Today we talked about the law of cosines. Remember, the law of cosines can only work when you have when you have two legs and an angle in the middle. This problem wanted us to find BC. Okay, you look at BC, we're actually missing the little a, so we're actually going to find the little a. So we just do the square root, and we're going to do the two legs. Okay, they go first in the formula, so it's actually going to be b squared plus c squared. So we're actually going to do 23 squared plus 19.5 squared minus 2 23 19.5 cosine of 59.2. And this is actually the work. You can put this in the calculator. Make sure your calculator is in degrees. If it is in radians, you will get this answer wrong. Okay? If you're wondering why this information goes in this order, just remember, draw your lowercase letters around the triangle. The formula for little a is b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. Okay, and these numbers plugged in exactly. I don't have my calculator with me, so I can't tell you the exact answer, but I can tell you that this is how it's supposed to go in the calculator. Okay, give me a quick second and I'll get ready for the next problem. Okay, we have A, C, D. Okay, we're actually finding angle B. Okay, so I'll give you the formula first. Angle B actually equals, remember, you got to hit second cosine first in the calculator, but I'm just going to give you the formula first. Remember, whatever angle we're looking for, that leg has to go into the back of the formula. So it's going to be a squared plus c squared minus b squared all over 2ac. Okay? Now let's plug in what we have on the triangle. Let's plug that into the formula. So now I should have second cosine, and little a is 18 squared, c is 30, so I'm going to do 30 squared minus b squared, which would be 17 squared all over 2, 18, 30. Plug that into the calculator. Okay, make sure you're in degrees, and that will give you angle B. Okay, all right, give me a quick second. I'll get the third problem up here. The third problem, remember, that's the one where we're going to have to do the leg formula and we're going to have to do the angle formula, because the angle formula only works when we have three legs. And I can give you a triangle that does only have two legs, and you should be able to use all of the formulas to figure out anything you need. Okay, so I have a side leg. I got my angles B, C. Okay, so I have 24, 13, those are my two legs, and 37 is the degree or the angle for capital C. I need to find angle A Okay, so in the formula we know leg A goes in the back, but we don't have little leg C for the formula, so we need to find it. Okay, so we need to do the formula for little leg C, which is going to be 13 squared plus 24 squared minus 2 times 13, 24 cosine of 37. Okay, plug that into the calculator. I don't have my calculator with me, so I'm just going to say that this answer, I'm going to call it X. When you're doing this, watching this video, if you have your calculator with you, please solve for X and write that right here between A and B so you can actually work this formula out. Okay, now to do angle A, we need to do second cosine. Okay, remember angle leg A goes in the back, so I'm going to go ahead and put 24 squared in the back with the subtraction sign. And we got to do 13 squared plus, I don't know the exact value, so I'm going to call it X squared. When you do this on your calculator, you'll know what it is. 213x. Okay? And that is how you use both formulas to solve for the angle using the law of cosines.